my name is Akriti Puri, and I started my journey with the CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon, back in December 2023. This journey has been amazing with the hospital and everyone. Regarding the feedback for the hospital that we have is, so I've never seen the staff members from the head of the department to every person in the staff member, which is so humble, polite, and makes your journey really very smooth. Uh, where we are so much stressed for the delivery of the baby, but they have made it like a really very smooth for us, like a piece of cake for us, for all of us. And that is what I want to say in feedback. And also regarding my experience with Dr. Anjali Kumar, also started in December 2023. And she's really very supportive and helpful doctor. And she has not only motivated me through this journey, I just want to tell you all that she has inspired me as a person she is. And in every part of my journey, I was so much stressed about, whether I have to go for a normal delivery or C-section. So she has every time helped me and said that you go for epidural, you can do it. And she has just motivated and supported me. Even when I was in the labor room, I was so much tensed, but then she said, you have to do it. And she just bring out the best in me. And I would ask every woman that not only she is a coach, like she also said that someone had given her a compliment, she is an Olympic coach, but she's much more than that for me. And in my labor room, I just looked at her and she said that you can do it and you have to do it. And those words were a bliss for me. And I'm really very happy with Dr. Anjali Kumar, the way she supported. And she has just bring out a hero in myself, which I couldn't see that time. So that is something that I think that it's like a newborn for me also. That I never thought that I will be able to endure this, but she has really done a great job.
So all in all, it was a very great experience that we had with CK Birla Hospital, Gurugram. And not just Anjali Kumar, even Dr. Akriti Gautam, she was
Yes.
extremely helpful in the entire process. So even during the delivery, Dr. Akriti Gautam, so she was there when it started,
Yeah.
and she was there when Akriti was given the epidural, and she was there till the end of the time.
Yes.
And even after the postnatal experience, that has been a bliss for my wife, because at every let's say every day they used to come and check up at regular intervals to see how she's doing, whether she's feeling any discomfort. And also not just the doctors but also the entire staff, they have been so helpful in the entire process, that she never felt that she is alone, and there's every person who is available, and everyone does that with a smile.
Yeah.
So there's no person in this hospital who feels like this is a job. They see it as a part of their life and they want to help other people in this entire process.
Absolutely, absolutely agree with what he has said. And really, Akriti Gautam has also helped me a lot. And she was there at every time, even giving a minute detail to me. If something happens, you have to run to the hospital. So that's great thing for a doctor to say, and convince a person to have an epidural. And when I asked Akriti Gautam, can I take epidural? Because I was very scared of it. But she said, yes, you can, and you can do it. And the confidence that she showed in me, so that is why I was able to do it. Both Anjali Kumar and Akriti Gautam, they have shown confidence in me, and I was able to do it. And yeah, and I thought that I'll never go for epidural or normal delivery, because my mindset was, everyone was telling me C-section ही होता है, and you have to prepare for C-section, some cuts. And I was also prepared for that. और मैं भी जब hospital गई थी, तो यही सोच के गई थी कि मैं C-section ही करवाऊंगी, क्योंकि मेरी डाइट भी कुछ ऐसा नहीं मैं फॉलो कर रही थी, या कोई एक्सरसाइजेस भी नहीं करती थी मैं नॉर्मल के लिए. सो बट जब डॉक्टर्स ने कहा कि आप कर सकते हो और आपको करना चाहिए ट्राई। तो मुझे बिल्कुल यकीन हुआ कि मैं कर सकती हूँ। एंड आई विल सजेस्ट एवरीवन, द डॉक्टर्स आर राइट, ऑलवेज go with them, and whatever they are saying is the best for you. And the staff and everything postnatal experience has been great, and they are so humble, so polite, very understanding. Even in one bell, in a ring of one bell, some person or the other nurse attends us, and she comes and helps us out with the baby. So this has been amazing, totally. Thank you so much.
Thank you.